Your salary is not disappearing by magic. It is disappearing through small decisions you barely notice. A coffee here, a subscription there, one quick online order, one weekend plan, and suddenly your bank balance looks empty again. For many people, payday feels like a fresh start. The money lands in the account, and for a few days everything feels under control. But then rent, bills, food, transport, debt payments, and random spending start taking pieces of that salary. The real problem is not always that you earn too little. Sometimes the bigger problem is that your money has no clear job. It arrives, sits in one account, and gets used by whoever shouts the loudest first: bills, shopping, friends, apps, or impulse spending. By the end of the month, you are not sure where it went. You just know it is gone. Imagine someone gets paid $2,500 at the start of the month. They pay rent first, then the phone bill, then groceries, then a few takeaways, then one online order, then a night out, then a streaming subscriptions renews. Then another small payment comes out automatically. None of these things feels huge alone. That is why they are dangerous. A $7 coffee does not feel like a money problem. A $12 subscription does not feel like a money problem. A $25 delivery order does not feel like a money problem. But when these small expenses repeat again and again, they quietly eat the salary. The hidden mistake is treating your salary like one big pile of money. When all your money stays in one place, your brain thinks you have more available than you really do. You look at your balance and think, I still have money, but that money may already belong to rent, bills, debt, transport, food, or savings. So the mistake is not just spending. The mistake is spending without separating money first. If you do not divide your salary before the month starts, the month will divide it for you, and usually it will not divide it in your favor. Here is the simple rule. Give every part of your salary a job before you spend anything, not after shopping, not after the weekend, not after bills surprise you. Before, your salary should not enter your account as one big number. It should be split into simple jobs: needs, savings, debt, and personal spending. Needs are things like rent, bills, food, and transport. Savings are for your future or emergencies. Debt payments help you reduce pressure. Personal spending is for fun, but with a limit. This rule does not make you rich overnight, but it gives your money direction. Step 1. Write down your total monthly income. Do not guess. Use the real number that lands in your account after taxes or deductions. This is the money you can actually control. Step 2. List your fixed expenses. These are payments that usually happen every month. Rent, utilities, phone bill, internet, insurance, transport, loan payments, and subscriptions. This shows how much of your salary is already promised to someone else. Step 3. Find your flexible spending. This includes food delivery, shopping, snacks, entertainment, weekend plans, random online orders, and small daily purchases. This is usually where the salary starts leaking. Step 4. Choose your limits before spending. Decide how much you can safely spend on flexible things without damaging bills or savings. If your personal spending limit is $300 for the month, that number is the boundary. Step 5. Move savings first. Even a small amount matters. If you wait to save whatever is left at the end, usually nothing is left. But if you save first, your spending adjusts around what remains. Step 6. Check your money once a week. You do not need a complicated spreadsheet. Just check what came in, what went out, and what is left for each category. This one habit stops small leaks before they become a big problem. The first mistake is making a budget that is too strict. If you give yourself zero fun money, the budget will break quickly. A realistic budget works better than a perfect budget. The second mistake is ignoring small expenses. Small spending is not harmless when it repeats every day. The third mistake is forgetting automatic payments. Subscriptions, memberships, and app charges can quietly remove money while you're not paying attention. The fourth mistake is saving only if money is left. That sounds logical, but in real life, spending usually expands until the account is empty. The fifth mistake is copying someone else's budget. Your income, rent, bills, debt, and lifestyle are different. Your salary needs your own plan. When you give your salary a job, The month feels less confusing. You know what money is for bills, what money is for spending, what money is for saving, and what money should not be touched. You may still have financial pressure. You may still need discipline, but now you are not guessing. The real payoff is control. Instead of asking, "Where did my salary go?" you start saying, "I know exactly where my salary went." That is the beginning of better money management. Your salary disappears when it has no plan. Small expenses become big when they repeat. One account can make your money look more available than it really is. Before you spend, split your salary into needs, savings, debt, and personal spending, and check your money weekly so leaks do not surprise you at the end of the month. If your salary disappears every month, try this rule before your next payday. Save this video, write down your income and expenses, and start giving every part of your money a job.